चाहता हूं। अभी आप लहू को गर्माहट देने वाली सरगर्मी पैराग्लाइडिंग का मरगला मुलाहिजा कर रहे हैं। नीले आसमानों की वसतों से उतरता हुआ ये गाजी अब्दुल्ला अख्तर, हवा को मुसहर किए हिम्मत, नज़्म ज़ब्त और अज़्म फौलाद की अमली तस्वीर है। ये है हवलदार अख्तर, पाक धरती के बेखौफ सिपाही मशक़े परवाज को कमाल महारत के साथ मुकम्मल करने आ रहे हैं। अब से कुछ ही देर में हवलदार अख्तर परेड ग्राउंड में लैंड करेंगे। इनकी तरफ से हवा के रुख का दुरुस्त अंदाजा, रफ्तार पर उम्दा कंट्रोल, हाथों में मजबूत गिरफ्त और जज्बा फर्क के साथ ये शेरदिल जवान ज़मीन पाक को छूने जा रहे हैं। आप परेड ग्राउंड के एन ऊपर देख सकते हैं हवलदार अख्तर, जो नीले आसमानों की वसतों से उतरता हुआ ये गाजी नाज़रीन, हवा के दबाव को जांचते हुए रफ्तार पर मुकम्मल कंट्रोल के साथ ये काबिल फख्र नुमाइंदा हमारे कौमी वकार की अलामत बनकर जमीन की तरफ बढ़ रहा है। ये है नज़्म ज़ब्त, खुद एतमादी और आला तरबियत की रोशन मिसाल। इस शानदार मुजाहिरे पर दिल की गहराइयों से मुबारकबाद पेश कीजिए। और ये निहायत ही प्रोफेशनल अंदाज से हवलदार अख्तर ने परेड ग्राउंड में लैंडिंग कर ली। हम आपको आपकी बहादुरी पर इंतहाई जुर्रत के साथ आपको दाद देते हैं। नाज़रीन, अब से कुछ ही देर में प्लांदरी सेंट्रल जेल के एन वस्तु ऊपर से
and Kashmir. The House Master of this House is Professor Nasir. College College Plandri, being an army-oriented institution, lays great stress on the physical training of the cadets. Physical activities keep them active and alert throughout the day. Ladies and gentlemen, these little juveniles, clad in colorful PG dress, look like little angels. I am not what I was yesterday. God knows my name. I am now a groomed Plandrian and full of flame. Outstanding performance, good show. Physical fitness is a general state of health and well-being, or specifically the ability to perform aspects of sports or occupations. Physical fitness is generally achieved through correct nutrition, exercise, hygiene, and rest. Specific or task-oriented fitness is a person's ability to perform in specific activity with a reasonable efficiency, for example, sports or military service. Roses are red and green, yellow, blue. The love that we share is honest and true. Roses are red and green, yellow, blue. Look at us and applaud to see off the guest of honor. Really a fabulous activity by these young juveniles. Roses are red and green, yellow, blue. Holding hands, we share the same view. Ladies and gentlemen, physical exercise is important for maintaining physical fitness and can contribute positively to maintain a healthy weight, building and maintaining healthy bone density, muscle strength, and joint mobility, promoting physiological well-being, reducing surgical risk, and strengthening the immune system. Like butterflies, we emerge and unfold our graceful wings. What a balance comes and grows with the symmetry each partner brings. Through the night of doubt and sorrow, Onward goes the pilgrims band, singing songs of expectation, marching to the promised land.
ख़वातीनो हज़रात, अब आप आसमान की जानिब देख सकते हैं। हमारा दूसरा पैराग्लाइडर अब्दुल्ला इम्तियाज कुछ ही देर में लैंडिंग फेज में लैंड करेगा। नाज़रीन, ये मुजाहिरा हमारे इदारे की आला तरबियत और पेशावराना महारत का अकास है।
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are about to witness in body control, reflexes and balance dancing in space. Gymnastics embodies strength and pure grace. Ladies and gentlemen, the activities which are going to be presented by the cadets are headstand, handspring followed by headspring, handstand and forward roll, front somerset, dive roll over the horse, and fire activity. Now, I am going to hand over the mic to my fellow cadet Amar.
The first activity is going to be performed by the cadet is handstand. The cadets participating in this event are Cadet Abdul Wahab, Cadet Samiullah, Cadet Sher Ali, Cadet Ali Hassan, Cadet Ayan, Cadet Salman, Cadet Ibad, Cadet Aman, Cadet Hashir, Cadet Hamad, Cadet Ammar. Well done, cadets. A marvelous show. Failure is an attitude that haunts the mind of man, but results will be successful for the one who knows he can. The second activity, which is going to be performed by the cadets, is handspring followed by headspring and row. The cadets participating in this event are Cadet Matiullah, Cadet Ali Hassan, Cadet Nafiq, Cadet Anas Razik, Cadet Mahmood, and so on. Cadet Mahmood, and a headspring, another headspring, another headspring, and a roll. Magnificent cadet. Cadet Ibad, and a good job. Cadet Ali Hassan, and a headspring, and a headspring, and another one, and a roll. Well done, cadet. And a daring show for that cadets. Please, dear audience, it is impressive that you. These young gymnasts really deserve your appreciation that will boost these blooming potential. So put your hands together and applaud their audacity. The third activity, which is going to be performed by the cadets, is handstand and forward roll. The cadets participating in this event are Cadet Tayyib, Cadet Sudais, Cadet Kasam, Cadet Inamullah, Cadet Salman, Cadet Abdullah, Cadet Mahmood, Cadet Ali Hassan, Cadet Sapar, and Cadet Talha. Well done, cadets. Excellent performance shown by these active cadets. Well done, cadets. A great performance. Undaunted, leapt into the fire. Recently viewed the spectacle sitting around. The fourth activity, which is going to be performed by the cadets, is front somersault. This activity is a trampoline activity. It requires great agility, flexibility, and balance of the mind and body to perform this activity. Cadet today running towards the trampoline, over the trampoline in a beautiful flip and a roll. Well done, cadet. Cadet Kasam, over the trampoline in a beautiful roll. Well done, cadet. Cadet Bilal Chakrat, over the trampoline in a beautiful roll. Excellent. Cadet Abdullah, and he has done a splendid job. Well done, cadet. Give them a big hand. Well done, cadets. You are doing a really marvelous job. and an excellent performance for the cadets. Cadet Hamad. And over the trampoline of the flip. Well done, cadet. Daring performance. Cadet Eliason. And a marvelous job. Well done, cadet. Cadet Salman. And a flip. And a beautiful job. Well done. Bold job by Cadet Rehan. Spectacular feat. Very well done. Marvelous job, Cadet. Cadet Rizwan Bajwa. Over the trampoline and a beautiful job. Well done, Cadet Rizwan Bajwa. Cadet Namullah. And he has done a marvelous job. Well done, Cadet. Cadet Tayyab Nazir. Over the trampoline and a beautiful flip. And a magnificent roll. Well done, Cadet. The next activity which is going to be performed by the cadets is drive board over the hose. The cadets participating in this event are Cadet Bilal, Cadet Kisan, Cadet Mamoon, Cadet Tayyib, Cadet Abdullah, Cadet Usman, Cadet Umar, Cadet Abed, Cadet Sudais, Cadet Abdul Wahab, Cadet Talha, and Cadet Salman. This activity is a group activity. A player of 3 will perform these activities. Activities of the formal host are very daring activities. Ladies and gentlemen, and the activity begins. Cadet Kassam, along with Cadet Bilal and Cadet Mamoon, are ready and awaiting the signal. And now they're running towards the trampoline. Over the trampoline and a beautiful flip. Well done, cadets. Cadet Umar Tariq, Cadet Rizwan Bajwa, and Cadet Shazeb Abbasi. Running towards the trampoline. Over the trampoline and a beautiful flip. Well done, cadets. Cadet Ali Hassan, Cadet Isharullah, and Cadet Days. Running towards the trampoline. Over the trampoline, a beautiful dive. Well done, cadets. Marvelous job. Cadet Salman, Cadet Ellis, and Cadet Abdul Wahab. Running to the trampoline, a magnificent job. Well done, cadets. Cadet Ellis, Cadet Matullah. Well done, cadets. Cadet Hanan, Cadet Inamullah, and Cadet Jamal. Running towards the trampoline. Over the trampoline, and a beautiful dive. Well done, cadets. Cadet Safa, Cadet Hashim, and Cadet Adman. Running towards the trampoline. Over the trampoline, and a beautiful dive. Well done, cadets. And the cadets are running over the trampoline, and a magnificent dive. Splendid job. Bold, brave, and courageous performance shown by these active and agile cadet gymnasts. Well done, cadets. Put your hands together for these cadets. Cadet Abdullah, Cadet Tayyib. Over the trampoline and a magnificent job. Splendid. Cadet Nafi, Cadet Najam, and Cadet Ayan. Running towards the trampoline. Over the trampoline. And a dive. Well done, cadets. Marvelous job. Last but not least, the fire activity. Ladies and gentlemen, to play with the fire is not a child's play. Is it plainest to be in the fire and be happy, pleased, and brave? Ladies and gentlemen, here, the most daring, the most surprising activity begins. Rings are being set, rings will be lit, and cadets will dive through the rings. Cadet Bilal Chakkar, along with Cadet Mahmood and Cadet Kassam, awaiting the signals. Undaunted, leapt into the fire, love-bound. Reason still views the spectacle sitting around. And a magnificent job. Please applaud for these cadets. And the cadets are doing a marvelous job. Please applaud. Cadet Isharullah, going to the middle. And a marvelous job, cadet. Splendid, absolutely marvelous. And Cadet Shazeb Abbasi has done a marvelous job. Splendid. Cadet Tayyib, Cadet Usman, and a marvelous job, Cadet Umar Tariq. Well done, Cadet Hanan Rahim. Cadets are doing a marvelous job. Well done.
है जिसकी क़यादत लांस नायक अख्तर कर रहे हैं। अब से कुछ ही देर में ये सुरीला बैंड सलामी के चबूतरे के सामने कुछ धुनें पेश करेगा। बहुत खूब। नाजरीन, अब बैंड आपके सामने कुछ धुनें पेश करेगा। बैंड ने मेहमान एहतशाम को सलामी दी। नाजरीन, बैंड ने सलामी के चबूतरे के सामने से दोबारा मेहमान एहतशाम को सलामी दी। अब वो रुखसती की दरख्वास्त करेंगे। नाजरीन, हम इस दस्ते के शुक्रगुजार कि इनने हमारी तकलीफ को रौनक बख्शी है।
Against Anieshny.